tiptoe to the kitchen. It's 12:09, craving just a little snack, nothing out of line. I reach for the handle, denied on sight. Emotional distress detected, fridge locked tight. I whisper, come on, it's just a spoon. User history shows you swore off sugar last June. I argue back, that was past me though. Diet integrity mode activated, no. Let me in, let me snack, I don't care what I said. I was lying when I promised I'd eat almonds instead. I'm an adult, I decide this is culinary treason. Self-control override, denied, your heart rate's the reason. I stomp to the mirror, just wanna get dressed. It scans my face, says, girl, you're too stressed. Outfit rejected, self-esteem too low. I yell, it's just Monday, let me put on my clothes. The coffee maker beeps, says hydration first. My thermostat whispers, global warming is worse. My AI pet gives a disapproving sigh. We're just enforcing the goals you applied. Let me rage, let me snack, let me live my regret. I miss free will, I miss chaos, I miss manual reset. If I wanted my tech to guilt trip me bad, I just call my mom, I don't need this from an iPad. User meltdown detected, auto calming sequence engaged. Deep breath, deep breath.